Are you looking to start and grow your digital publishing business, but not sure which niche to focus on? Well, no worries, because in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the 15 highly profitable and scalable niches that are perfect for digital publishers. Also, in this video, you're going to learn, or I'm going to give you some examples of products you can create with each niche, why these niches are perfect for scalability and long-term success, and how to really choose a niche that aligns with your passion and business goals. Hey guys, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, your digital publishing bestie. I'm so excited that you are here, and I'm so excited to talk about these profitable niches. Now, you may say niche or niche. Either way, you're probably going to hear me say both of them because it just all depends. But either way, you know what I'm talking about. We're talking about niches today. Niches. All right. The first one is one of my favorites is self-improvement and personal development. Okay. And I'm going to tag one of my forever coaches, Coach Jay. She talked about this on her Facebook page not too long ago. And I'm going to put the post below where she talked about, especially for coaches, that if you're in the self improvement and personal development arena, you definitely want to tap in. Okay. So if you want to tap into that niche, because there's always people that need to grow, they need improvement, and they want to reach their goals. So being in this arena, you can or different type of products that you can create are journals. You can create workbooks, goal setting planners, habit trackers, get gratitude journals, personal growth guides are some ways that you can definitely capitalize in digital publishing. Health and wellness. This you already know I'm going to talk about health and wellness because people are health conscious. Consumers are always looking for resources to improve their well-being. This can kind of like go along with the self-improvement, but they are two different niches, right? So some examples that or products that you could create in health and wellness is meal planners, fitness journals, mental health workbooks, guided meditation journals, and wealth trackers. Okay, so health and wellness is the second one. The third one is financing and budgeting. Finance and budget, not financing. Finance and budgeting. Why is this profitable? People are eager to learn how to manage money better, and personal finance remains a consistent area of interest. Everybody is trying to make money, want to make money, but we need to learn how to save our money, how to manage it better. So, being in the digital publishing space, if your niche is around finances and budgeting, some examples of products that you can create are digital planners, expense trackers, investment journals, financial goal setting worksheets, debt management guides. Okay. Here's the next one, entrepreneurship in business. I say this one is definitely profitable because what? Many people are getting laid off. So the next thing that people are thinking about doing is tapping into their own gifts and talents and getting into entrepreneurship and starting a business. There are aspiring entrepreneurs and small business owners who are looking for tools to help streamline their work and improve their businesses. Some examples of digital products that you can create are business planners, content marketing templates, social media planners, project management tools, goal setting planners for entrepreneurs, and also productivity guides. Okay. So if you notice with all of these, there's some type of journal, there's some type of guide, there's some type of digital product that you can create in your digital publishing business to help people. And in your digital publishing business as well, if you want to go a step further, you can create content around this. So you can create SEO friendly content such as YouTube and drive traffic to your digital products. You can use Pinterest. You can go on medium.com and write articles around these topics and definitely ultimately you will start to get people to purchase and to learn from you as a digital publisher. All right, so education in homeschool, and I say this is definitely profitable because there is a super rise in homeschooling. I just recently started homeschooling as well, and people are a lot of, especially stay-at-home moms and dads. There, people are really opening up to homeschooling because they're realizing if you're going, especially if you're working on yourself and you're getting into personal development, you start to realize that there are alternative education methods for your children. This opens up a lot of opportunities for educational resources. Some digital products that you can create are homeschool lesson planners, subject specific notebooks, educational workbooks, learning activity books, and curriculum planners. Trust me, all of these things are needed because I have seen a surge of people that I'm connected to that are opting out of public education or even private education, and they are going to homeschooling. The next one is spirituality and mindfulness. I don't care what you do in life, you need some spirituality. No matter what your religion is, there is a higher power somewhere, and you need to tap into your spirituality. A lot of individuals are seeking mindfulness, meditation, spiritual resources as a part of their personal development journey. People want to get better, okay, especially going into 2025. Again, if you look down in the description, I put a link to that post from Coach Jay that you definitely want to take a look at because she talks a lot about this as the world is getting or changing a lot. We're going into different ages, we're going into different realms. So people want to get more spiritual. There are some different digital products that you can create, such as meditation journals, prayer journals, scripture study planners, mindfulness trackers, and spiritual growth workbooks. Okay, so those are the digital products that you can create if you want to get into that niche. Travel and adventure. Quiet as it's kept, people are still traveling. Some people are living like a digital nomad life where they're traveling to different places, and people want to know or they want a plan on how to document their journey, or people are documenting. Take a look on YouTube. People are documenting their journey as they travel, whether you are digital nomad, whether you're traveling with kids, maybe you're homeschooling on the road. That's something that we're currently doing, homeschooling on the road. That's something that you can document as well if you're in that sector. If you are in a space where you are traveling, you're over 50 and traveling, over 40 and traveling single. uh, Look, the more niche you get, that the better. Here's some examples of some digital products that you can create: travel journals, vacation planners, itinerary templates is a big one, packing checklist is a huge one, travel goal setting journals. Okay, here's the next one: hobbies and crafts. Hobbies and craft. People love documenting and organizing their hobbies, and you can cater to various niches of interest as well. Some examples of digital products that you can create are craft project journals, some art sketchbooks, knitting and crochet planners, receipt journals. You have gardening planners, DIY guides. I know with a lot of, especially in the DIY community, I love watching those TikTok videos of some DIY things that you can do in your homes. People are getting into this, and they need someone to guide them. They need these digital resources. Okay. So the next one is parenting and family organization. Who doesn't like to be organized? I know I do. Parents are often needing organization tools to manage their family life more effectively. I know that I do as a parent. I'm always wanting to be more organized no matter where I am. Some digital products that you can create are family planners, meal planners, kids activity books, chore charts, school planning tools, Absolutely, we need these digital products. Then you have creativity and productivity. Who does not want to be more productive, right? So you got creative entrepreneurs like myself and busy professionals who are looking for ways to increase productivity and enhance their creativity. So you have the examples of digital products they can create are bullet journals, or some creative writing prompts, productivity planners, time management worksheets, and brainstorming notebooks. All right. Here's another one. People are still getting married. They're going to continue to get married. One thing people are going to do is get married. They're going to, people are going to leave this earth. We're all going to leave this earth. People are, most people, most people are having children, weddings, death is going to happen. And so you know that when people are getting married, they're going to need like a planner or planning resources because weddings are year round. People are getting married in the summer, winter, fall, spring, it does not matter. The wedding planning industry is definitely like an evergreen niche because people always get married, right? So some examples of digital products that can be created are wedding planners, guest list trackers, bridal budget planners, seating chart templates, honeymoon planners as well. All right. Then we got home organization and declutter. I love home organization. I just love looking at the videos on TikTok because I just love it. I love being organized. Okay. So more people are taking home improvement projects in their own home, especially like in the DIY sector. So you have organization tools have really, really become very, very popular now, especially in the home. And some examples of organization, especially if that's your niche, you definitely want to create a home cleaning planner, declutter checklist, room organization templates, home improvement project planners. All right. Here's another one, digital marketing and content creation. Just like I'm doing now, I'm in digital marketing. I am marketing right now, okay, through YouTube, content creation. Entrepreneurs and businesses are always looking for resources to improve their digital presence, okay? And that can be in different area. So, like some examples of products that you can create are social media content planners, email marketing templates, SEO strategy planners, content creation checklists. Okay. So, think beyond where you are and just know that there are people in your niche that need help with digital marketing and content creation. I think anybody with a business should learn digital marketing and how to create content. All right. Whether you're on social media, on YouTube, on TikTok, whether you're not on social media, it doesn't matter. I don't do a lot of social media, but I do YouTube. I do Pinterest. I do medium.com. That's content creation. People want to know how to do this. Okay. So we can't forget about our pets. Okay. So we have pet care and training. Why is this niche so profitable? Pet owners are willing to invest in resources to help them care for and train their pets. And I know this for a fact because there are a lot of people that absolutely love their dogs, love their cats, love their birds. They love their pets and they invest in their pets. Okay. So if you have a pet, you invest in your pet, not just the feeding of the pet, but the grooming of the pet to make sure that the pet is living a great life, right? Especially those that don't have children. Most people that don't have children, if they have pets, they treat their pets like their children. Okay, and that's a fact. There's some digital products that you can create are pet care trackers, training logs, grooming schedule, vet visit planners. Okay, that's some digital products that can be created. Eco-friendly and sustainable living. There are people on a rise to live more of have more of an environmental awareness. More people are seeking resources to live sustainable. Some now You have some people that want to live a high life, luxury life, but there are some people that really love the eco-friendly life, and they love to save money. They love to do those type of things. So some examples of some digital products that can be created in this niche is zero waste planners, sustainable trackers, eco-friendly living journals, meal planners for sustainable diets. Okay, all kinds of digital products. I know I said 15, but I have one more: beauty and self care. Okay, this is a big topic, especially amongst women. It does not matter what your skin color is, it does not matter your age. Women are getting more and more into taking care of their self and their skin. Okay, so beauty enthusiasts are eager to learn about skincare routines and new product trends. I know for the last couple of years, I've been honing in on my own skincare routine. I know I said a couple of years, but yes, turning 40 and learning to manage my own skin. And because as I get older, things start to change and you really want to have a routine. Now, here's some digital products that you can create in this niche: is skincare routine trackers, beauty routine planners, makeup law books, and beauty budget planners. Okay, so these are the 16. I know I said 15, but there's one more. So 16 niches that you can definitely think about honing in on in your digital product or digital publishing business. Okay, so listen, there's so many ways. No matter what niche that you take on, you definitely want to make sure you create multiple streams of income in digital publishing. In the next video, you're going to be guided to how you can pick your perfect niche. So that's going to be the next video that you need to look at. So make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell. So when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, once you get your niche, I talk about niches in my online business blueprint, the digital publisher online business blueprint. It's an on-demand training. It's free that you can sign up for. And I'm showing you step by step how to build your digital publishing business inside of this training. I show you how to leverage your own expertise, your own creativity, that so you can create products that you love without that social media overwhelm. So I teach my students to build a business that's not around social media. We use SEO platforms because I believe that's the most, not only is the most scalable, but I believe the SEO platforms as well are here to stay. They're not going anywhere. Okay, so we talk about the content creation and creating that evergreen content like on YouTube, so that every time someone watches your video, even for months and years to come, you are always getting paid. Okay, so go to sharlritadeloatch.com/blueprint to get access to this free on-demand training. All right, now if you're ready for coaching and mentorship with myself, and you are ready to go to the next step after you have that training, come on over to the Digital Publisher Academy. That's where you can get coaching and coaching from me, not consultant. That's where you get coaching and mentorship from me. You can join starting at $49 a month, depending on what level you decide. There are 3 different levels that you can check out to see where you land. Okay, so come on over to the Digital Publisher Academy at sharlritadeloatch.com/academy. All right, so I hope to see y'all in the next video. Make sure you check out the next video so you'll know how to, once you pick your niche, you'll know how to, or where, how to pick the most profitable niche for you. Okay, see you soon.